get you 2 nails on either side. Wiggle it from side to side. Like that. Okay guys, so put your finger between these here, between the bezel. Okay, so don't use that, use a plastic prying tool. So you have these blues. Do not use a knife. Okay, so proper way or long way is to remove the whole screw assembly, because this is the tricky part, but I'll show you how to do that without removing the entire assembly. Okay, so lift that from one side. The reason you need to remove that is because of these latches that goes under, but I'll show you how to put it back. Okay, so what you do is you move the tape. So if you just pry it out, this one. Okay, so lift it up. It's like a snake. Keep coming up. Look at that. It looks like you had a bad day at the restaurant, eh? Just no formation. You know what I'm talking about, you know? You have these korma chicken tikka masala and then be running free. Okay, that is done. Comes off as a cake. Okay, so lift up this little middle latch. You know, sometimes just good old day ways of using your hands a lot better. So that's the one. This one is a 30 pin, and that is the model number, so make sure you get exactly the same one. Now it's not the same as typical 15.6 inch, it's a little bit more shorter. So this one is 350mm, just bear in mind in case if you want to get a generic one. Okay, obviously I'm not going to be replacing the screen, it was just a demo, but to put it back, you put a little bit of tape so it doesn't come off later on. And I don't have double-sided tape, but you can put double-sided tape here so it's more secure, but with the frame tightly hugging the screen, it's not going to come off easily. Now here's the tricky part, which I initially said. So tuck it under. These very slim, they get stuck under. So you once you're done with that, work your way around it. Now this one slightly sticks in. So what you want to do, get something like that. It's a bit tricky. Okay, so that's in. Now just work your way around it. Okay, see? Okay, lock back in place. Don't worry about that. It's tightly sealed, so there's no space in the middle. Good.